Tumurigererie ebikore byogotumwa abasubati bali abaiburi gose bali bakogongia kurwa senyagitari yekerenyo gocha senyagitari chinde nigo byanyaka bigokiana naye ngo chingubwatekana amohono komendo gwe machine chekerero ase enyagitari eyo chenyaga bachikorrobe obokoreri ase enyagitari buna gotumanya murikito fatikadi December
emetieni ni tatu yaherire gesa enyagitari eye yekerenyo yaikiranĩtie ububari ubutangani kigima ase chingaki omong'ina gose omusubati koibura umwana ingana itakabeire abumagega negi kyari koirera ayaiga no gutabaroro which machine naboigo abanyagitari bari abagwikirania emeremo eyiga.
This unit has been functional since mid-May. We did our first very successful cesarean section on 10th of May.
Kukwana na getembe umunyagitari uyu tenenerete ensemo eyiga petishepa maisiba nigo akwerera buna gesa baikiranĩtie ububari ubutangani umutieni ugatano umwaka uyu nigo bakonyire abang'ina witania emerongo itano nomo.
The opening of this facility has also helped early deliveries of these complicated cases, saving on time and proper management of the baby and the mother.
Lakini wono mtu agachirwe ndagitari yeto ya theater wono nagotoko nyara gukonya asobwango na bari bande bae ndagitari chinde chesko na baro banyora bakwerfa gochagaiga tonyara toko bakonya bwango.
And that also improves the quality of care within this region, because a mother in labor who would have had a complication, we would have been thinking of referring that mother immediately to Nyamira.
Aiga intwanyora dibaga nagukwana no musubati oyuore oyobwanko mono kogongia ase nyagitari eyiga nanigo atumanyirie ayaiga. Poigo mbasaba eserikari gochiabosio kugarigia unity eyiga puna enjira eyemo yokubakonya abaroire abange.
For the society, depending with the numbers per the month, sometimes we find ourselves in a position where we cannot do a surgery just because of the capacity we tend to refer these cases, and which we are really trying to avoid so that the society can get maximum care from this same unit.
Chingaki echecho mbakwanira obuya bwokwerigia no muroberio bobobwenia osha na koyoakanira ase chingaki chiria omusubati akageire koreta omogeni.
The fact that ako covered amelipia hiyo SHA anapata usaidizi mzuri sana. Kwanza madawa, kwa sababu daktari mkubwa has provided all the medication and all the commodities that we need for our patients. Mgonjwa hatumii hata shilingi hata moja for treatment. Madawa, the operation, care, everything 100% unapata kutoka kwa unit. Hiyo ni kitu moja nimekuja kurealize ni mzuri sana kwa wagonjwa.
Hingo reporter getembe kurwa senyagitari yeyiga ya ekerenyo yegotoka imeye bunge ya North Mugirange County ya Nyamira Jeff Fatigad
na umusubati